welcome back, and in this video I'm gonna show you that how to turn off your Facebook email notifications, which is very simple and easy to do. So before we start, just make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And first of all, just simply open up your Facebook app and then come to your menu section by tapping at these three lines in the top right, and tap at this gear to open up settings and privacy, like that, and simply scroll down to the very bottom. Here just simply find the option of notifications, which is I think over there. Just simply tap on it and just scroll down. Here you can see option of email. Just simply tap at this option, and from here you can select the categories wise, which about things which you want to turn off email notification. It's about like comments, tags, reminders, or whatever, or you can turn off these all like that by toggling off these options. Like in this way you can turn off it. So that's how you can easily turn off your email notifications on Facebook. So I hope it's helped you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment section below and I'll be catching in the next video. Thanks guys, and if you don't, just like and subscribe to this channel, and if you think that this video has helped you, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys, goodbye till the next video, and I will recommend you to check the latest video on the end screen.